Hi, I'm Janessa Reid. My English classes in SPASH definitely go beyond just reading and writing. We do interactive, hands-on activities every day to try and apply what we're learning to the real world.
I think Miss Reid is really nice, and that definitely helps the class.
She's super nice, she's helpful. It's fun to be in there, for sure.
If you ask her a question, she'll immediately do it. If you're hungry, she'll be like, oh, do you want a snack? And then she'll give you a snack, and she's just really nice.
Students typically love the activities because they feel involved, engaged, and like they're learning something in a productive way that they're going to use after high school.
For our choice book right now, we're creating a symbol on a theme of our book, like I'm doing fate versus free will.
An activity such as we did helps students to find information quickly, become leaders in their fields, and know how to use their resources to think outside the box, be able to synthesize information, analyze information, and critically think.
This is actually the most fun I've had in English.